Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Stin. Today we will see a filter in CSS. Okay, how to give a sepia effect, control the brightness, and control the opacity, and give a drop shadow. Okay, using a filter. Okay, and also give a transition so it's look very smoothly. Okay, give it a grayscale. Okay, and how we can put a multiple property of filter at the same time. Okay, so let's get start. First we need to create a project. Okay, I have created the filter CSS. Inside I have one file and one images. Okay, this is the image1, this is image, and have the one index.html file. Just refresh, just open inside your code editor. So this is the blank empty HTML file. Okay, inside we have to write some code. Okay, so first we need to put image src, and our image is image1.jpg, and alt, this is the image1, control s for save, and this is the large image, so give it a size, means width. We want to a 300 pixel, control s for save, and we need to run this file. Just copy the name of your project, just copy and go to localhost. I'm using XAMPP and localhost, and paste your project name and hit enter. So this is the image. Okay, we want to more bigger, just 500 pixel, control s and refresh. So we want to put a filter property of the image img. Okay, so this is the default image. Okay, just refresh, if I refresh it's nothing, but when we put a filter property, this filter. Okay, and filter property have, first we give a gray scale. Okay, and grayscale, it has a, suppose we want to a 50% grayscale, control s for save, and F5 for refresh. So you can see it's a change of grayscale. Okay, suppose we want to 100%, control s for save, and F5 for refresh, so it's a change grayscale. Okay, so this is the property of grayscale. Okay, so just comment it here. Comment. Okay, just copy and paste it here and put it star it here, control s for save, and other filter property is filter, and we want to a sepia effect. Okay, and give it a sepia, we want to a 50%, control s for save and refresh the browser. Okay, so this is the sepia, we want to 80%, control s, and you can see this is the sepia. Okay, so now it's also a comment it here and just copy it here and paste it here. Okay, we want to other property of filter. Okay, which is the drop shadow shadow, drop shadow, and it like simple shadow, we give it a 0.1 pixel. Okay, 0.1 pixel, and we want to a 3 pixels of shadow. Okay, and the color of shadow we want to a black color, control s to save and refresh. So you can see this is the shadow, and if you give it more shadow, you put a 10 pixel, control s to save and refresh. This is the 10 pixel shadow. Okay, if you want to do a 20 pixel, just put it 20, control s and f5, it's a 20 pixel shadow. Okay, so just also comment it here, we want to see other uh, filter property, which is, just copy it here, filter. Okay, and paste it here, and other is opacity, and opacity you can give it as a, also a percent, we want to a 50% opacity, control s for save and refresh f5. So you can see its opacity is less. Okay, transparency, okay, we want to a 20, it's also a dim. Okay, we want to 80, control s for save and refresh, it's a come again. Okay, just also comment it here. okay, and just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so the other filter property is blur. Okay, the blue blur property, it's have the we want to a 20 pixel blur. Control S for save and F5 for refresh. It's a more blur, just we want to do a 5 pixel blur. Control S for save and refresh, so it's less blur. Okay, we want to do a 2 pixel. Control S for save and refresh. Okay, it's come again, so just also comment it here. Okay, and just 1 pixel, and we wanted to put a many property of a filter at the same time. So we want to sepia, just copy this sepia 80%, just copy and paste it here. Control S and F5 for replace the sepia property, and it has a opacity, blur is 2 pixel, 2 pixel. Control S and refresh. Okay, we want to give it a shadow as well, so just copy it here. Okay, and copy and just paste it here. Control S for save and F5 for refresh, so you can see 20% uh, drop shadow, and it's a blur and have the grayscale, I mean sepia effect. Okay, if you want to do sepia as well, just okay, sepia is you want to do grayscale, just copy it here. Okay, and paste it here. Control S, just remove the semicolon one. F5 for refresh, so it's a grayscale. Okay, and have the 20 pixel shadow. Okay, and sepia is 80, grayscale is 100%. Control S for save and refresh. Okay, so all the property will apply when we hover it. So just give it a pseudo selectors, which is the pseudo selectors hover. Control S for save and refresh. When you hover it, it comes. Okay, so it's not smoothly, so to make a smooth, for that we give a property of transition. Transition we want to put on filter, so just put it filter it here, filter, and 0.2 second linear and 0 second. Control S for save and F5 for refresh. Okay, and when you come it here, it looks perfect. Okay, it looks perfect, very smoothly it looks. Okay, so some browser will not will not support this property, so you can add some prefix. So for Chrome browser you can type WebKit. Okay, Control S. Okay, and for Microsoft Office, Mozilla Firefox, type Moz. Okay, and Opera for O, and Microsoft Office, Internet Explorer for MS. Okay, Control S for save, and you can run one by one to check prefix will work or not. Okay, so this is the video tutorial based on the filter. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and I will catch you guys next time. Till then, bye.